Scotty, you're my best friend, my confidant, my number one cheerleader, my rock, and the love of my life. Because of you, I have found a love that I never knew existed. A love that has been filled with care, protection, hurt, laughter, joy, and peace. An unconditional love that you don't see in movies. You only know of it until you live it. And I believe it's a love that only happens once. Today I stand here and can say, I'm living it. My fairy tale dream has come true, and you are the prince who has swept my feet away. Since the day we met, you have shown me what it's like to be treated like a princess. There is no one in the world I can compare your love and compassion to, and I am forever grateful to be standing here today to marry my best friend and read my vows to. I was getting butterflies as I wrote all of this, and I knew I'd be saying them out loud to you, and it reminds me of the moment I first realized I loved you, and I'll never forget those feelings.
To my beautiful woman, Kenia, it has been the biggest honor of my life today to call you my wife. You have blessed me with the best emotions I've ever truly felt in my life. And to expand on that, I was ready to accept the fact that I might be by myself for the rest of my life until I met you, because I didn't want anything but you. I thought I was a man before I met you, and in fact, I've only become a true man because of you. As I've said and will tell everyone that will listen to me, I've waited 35 years to meet you and would wait 35 more if it meant having you. You are my purpose for living and breathing each day. That being said, I vow to you I will never give up on our relationship. I'm in this for life and then into the next life. And finally, I vow to always keep God in the center of our marriage. Without his blessing, we would not be joined together today as husband and wife. I love you so much. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you, Kenia Beitzel, your loving husband, Scott.
In your side, I'll wait for you. Sleight of hand and twist of fate, on a bed of nails she makes me wait, and I wait without you, with or without you. With or
I've waited 100 years, but I'd wait a million more for you. Nothing prepared me for what the privilege of being yours would do. If I had only felt the warmth within your touch, if I had only seen how you smile when you blush, or how you curl your lip when you concentrate enough, I would have known what I was living for. What I've been living for. Your love is my turning page, where only the sweetest words remain. Every kiss is a cursive line, every touch is a redefining phrase. I surrender who I've been for who you are. For nothing makes me stronger than your fragile heart. If I had only felt how it feels to be yours, well, I would have known what I've been living for all along. What I've been living for.
1, 2, 3, go.
Let's groove tonight. Share the spotlight. And it's light tonight. We gonna groove tonight. Let us groove. Get you to move. It's alright, alright, alright. Let us groove. Set in your shoes and stand up. Alright, alright.
Gonna tell you